Hi, I'm Graham McLeod, Chief Architect at inspired.org. We are a boutique consultancy which has operated in the business architecture and enterprise architecture space for several decades. You can see background on us on our website, which is on screen now. Please go to inspired.org. In this video, we'll be taking a look at our approach with respect to business architecture and how that differs from the conventional. In our view, business architecture is not for IT nor inward-looking. It is in fact the design of the future business. And the purpose is to achieve desirable futures. What we mean by that is futures in which we would like to live. This is for the organization, for the stakeholders in the organization, such as shareholders and employees, for our clients and partners, and for society at large. This has to be achieved in the context in which the business will find itself, and our attention to context is one of the key factors that differentiates our approach from that of other approaches. The business architecture should inform the change programs and drive other architectures downstream, such as process, applications, information, technology, and security. This picture illustrates an overview of the business architecture concerns. Around the outside we have the context in which we will find ourselves. This includes customers and markets, products and services that we will need to offer to them, the operating model which we choose to adopt to deliver the value, our interaction with partners, suppliers, regulators, etc., the events that occur in the environment and the processes that we implement to deal with these, our motivations, the metrics we use to measure our performance, and internally the information systems and technology that we need to deliver. Coming out of the difference between where we are now and the desired future will be the changes that we need to make, and we translate these to initiatives, programs, projects, which will be managed with proper consideration of risk and security. When we look at the context, we look at many external factors, including social, technological, economic, environmental, political, legal, ethical, and demographic factors. We also look at the health of the organization in various dimensions, as well as its maturity with respect to planning, architecture, use of technology, and information. We carefully consider the markets, the customers, their needs, and the products and services that will meet these, and the channels which are most appropriate to deliver those to the market. We look at the interaction with stakeholders in detail and the events that occur in our interaction with them and the ensuing processes that are necessary. We will also look at the information that flows between us and other stakeholders and at the net value that each party provides and expects. We will devise operating models that take into account the variety of stakeholders, the interaction we have, the best way in which this should occur, the services that are necessary, the processes, the supporting systems, information and technology, as well as the concerns around risk and security. We of course look at value chains and value networks in the industry and those in which we participate, what capabilities are required to deliver the value, and what the state of these is and what gaps there are that will need to be addressed in the change programs. We have innovative approaches for looking at process and getting the value from process analysis without getting bogged down in details. We translate the gaps in capabilities and the requirements for our operating model to coherent change programs, including business initiatives, programs, and projects, which will normally be under the management of a project management office. In this exercise, we take due cognizance of risk and security. Our approach emphasizes effectiveness, and this is achieved through coverage, business focus, a value focus, people orientation, and proven techniques. Efficiency is achieved through integrated models, powerful techniques, collaboration between the various parties across business, architecture, technology, and program and project environments, reuse of existing models and capabilities, and advanced tool support. We're ready to provide help in the form of methods and techniques, models. We have an advanced and comprehensive holistic architecture language covering business architecture as well as strategy and the other aspects of enterprise architecture. We have maturity models and support for these in our tooling. We can leverage industry reference models, and we provide extensive training in all aspects of architecture as well as deep consulting skills and the aforementioned tool support. Please take a look on our website at inspired.org for further details. You will find there a dedicated page for the business architect role. You will also find details on the training programs and the Enterprise Value Architect tool, as well as a resources page where you can find an extensive set of reference papers and presentations. We hope that we can work with you in delivering your desirable futures. Thank you.